My baked crunchy hot honey chicken is a family favorite. My brothers love this recipe. You start with some cornflakes, some Parmesan cheese, some paprika. Pulse that all together until you have a fine crumb. Beat some eggs with some hot sauce. Then you want to toss the chicken through those eggs, and then you dredge the chicken through the crumbs. Drizzle the chicken with olive oil. This is key to get it nice and crisp. Throw it in the oven. Then you just warm the honey on the stove with the spices. I do a lot of cayenne, you guys. Drizzle that warm honey over the chicken. A little sea salt on top is really delicious. And serve this up with some sweet potatoes on the side. It is so good. Also, a little creamy ranch is delicious.